Imagine waking up tomorrow and speaking English without fear, without pausing to translate every single word, without worrying about grammar mistakes. Building your foundation. Language is not learned by memorizing rules from a thick textbook. Language is absorbed by listening and living it every single day. A child does not study complex grammar before speaking. A child simply listens, copies, and speaks without fear. To speak fluent English, you must stop treating English like a high school subject. You must start treating it like a daily habit. Consider this inspiring thought from Helen Keller. Optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Nothing can be done without hope and confidence. Confidence comes from practice, not perfection. When you practice simple sentences, your brain builds powerful neural pathways that make speaking automatic. Let us practice our first set of daily sentences. Repeat each sentence after me, exactly as you hear it. I speak English every day. I speak English every day. My confidence grows with practice. My confidence grows with practice. I am not afraid of making mistakes. I am not afraid of making mistakes. Notice how clear and simple those sentences feel. Fluency is not about using long, difficult words. Fluency is about expressing simple ideas quickly and smoothly, conquering the fear of mistakes. What is the biggest wall standing between you and fluent English? It is not your vocabulary. It is not your accent. It is the fear of looking silly when you make a mistake. Many beginner learners believe this common mistake: I must speak perfectly, or I should not speak at all. This idea is completely wrong. Mistakes are not signs of failure. Mistakes are proof that you are trying and growing. As the great thinker Ralph Waldo Emerson once said, all life is an experiment. The more experiments you make, the better. Every wrong word you fix is one step closer to complete mastery. When you mispronounce a word or choose the wrong tense, do not panic. Simply correct yourself and keep moving forward. Let us practice talking about daily actions. Repeat each sentence twice. I make mistakes, but I keep learning. I make mistakes, but I keep learning. Every mistake teaches me something new. Every mistake teaches me something new. I enjoy speaking English with others. I enjoy speaking English with others. Mastering daily real-life situations. Let us walk through a practical scenario together. Imagine walking into a cozy coffee shop on a bright morning. The cashier smiles and asks how you are doing. What do you say? Instead of freezing or overthinking grammar rules, keep your response direct, friendly, and natural. Let us practice ordering food and drinks. Listen carefully and repeat after me 2 times. Good morning, I would like a hot coffee, please. Good morning, I would like a hot coffee, please. Could I also get a fresh pastry? Could I also get a fresh pastry? Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Now imagine another common situation. You are at your job or school and you need help with a task. Many learners feel shy to ask for help because they do not know complex expressions. But simple words are always the best words. Repeat these practice sentences twice. Excuse me, could you please help me for a moment? Excuse me, could you please help me for a moment? I am not sure how to complete this task. I am not sure how to complete this task. Thank you for taking the time to explain it. Thank you for taking the time to explain it. Training your mind to think in English. Why do so many learners struggle to respond quickly in conversations? Because they translate sentences in their head first. They hear English, translate it into their native language, create an answer in their native language, and then translate that answer back into English. This process takes too much time, and it creates mental fatigue. To speak fluently, you must train your mind to skip translation entirely. When you see an apple, do not think of your native word for apple. Link the English word apple directly to the physical fruit. As Vincent van Gogh wisely said, great things are done by a series of small things brought together. Training your brain to think in English happens through tiny daily habits, like describing your surroundings out loud while taking a walk or cooking dinner. Let us practice thinking directly in English. Repeat these sentences twice. The weather is bright and clear today. The weather is bright and clear today. I am drinking a glass of cool water. I am drinking a glass of cool water. I am building a strong English habit. I am building a strong English habit. Overcoming common beginner vocabulary errors. Let us address a few common confusion points that trip up beginner learners. Consider the difference between say, tell, and speak. You say something to someone. For example, he said hello. You tell someone something directly. For example, she told me the truth. You speak a language or talk with a person. For example, I speak English fluently. Another very common error is mixing up listen and hear. Hear is passive. Sound simply enters your ears. I hear the rain outside. Listen is active. You pay attention on purpose. I listen to English podcasts every morning. Let us solidify these useful distinctions with targeted practice. Repeat each sentence 2 times. I listen carefully to understand every word. I listen carefully to understand every word. She told me an inspiring story. She told me an inspiring story. We speak English with pride and clarity. We speak English with pride and clarity. Developing consistency for long-term fluency. Consistency will always beat intensity. Studying for 10 hours once a month will not make you fluent. But listening and practicing for 20 minutes every single day will completely transform your speaking skills in just a few months. Think of learning English like planting a tiny tree. You cannot water a seed once and expect it to grow into a large tree overnight. You must water it daily, protect it, and give it time to grow strong roots under the soil. Confucius shared a timeless lesson. It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. Progress is often invisible in the beginning, but every minute you spend listening and repeating sentences is quietly building your fluency. Repeat these powerful mindset sentences twice. Small daily steps lead to massive progress. Small daily steps lead to massive progress. I practice every day because I value my growth. I practice every day because I value my growth. My English is improving faster than I think. My English is improving faster than I think. A final thought for your journey. Learning a language is not a race against other people. It is a personal journey of self-improvement. Trust your daily practice, celebrate your effort, and remember that every sentence you speak out loud brings you closer to complete confidence. I am becoming a clear and confident English speaker. I am becoming a clear and confident English speaker.